Hi, and welcome back to the Pour My Beer how-to videos. Today we're going to go over how to change the background on your TTGs. First, you will need to log into the TabletTap Go Charger software. You can do that with an admin card or using the default admin login. Hold down to access web interface and press that. This will bring up the server page, and in order to get to the background images, you need to press on server configuration at the bottom right corner. And then background images at the top left. Here's your background images page. From here, you can add a new image. You can reset all the clients, which are the TTGs, back to the default background. This is important if you ever change an individual TTG at the screen. The screen will assume that you always want that background, and if you ever want them to go back to the default, you need to press this button. On the right side of each image, you have the option to set as default. For any TTG that's operating on the default background image, setting as default will change that background. You also have the option to delete an image. Let's add a new image. Adding a new image is very simple. You're going to name the image here. And then you're going to select an image here. Please note the pixel size, 800 by 480 pixels. You will need to edit your image before importing it here so that it fits the screen properly. Microsoft Paint does a good job. Once you're done selecting a file, you press the upload button. If you change your mind, you can always hit cancel. Our default background will be this 2 beer mug background. And to show you how the system responds, I'll press the set default background now, and you'll notice it says success, but it also highlights the send update notification box. You will need to press the send update notification in order for the screens to receive those updates. Okay, another way that you can change the background on individual screens is to log in with an admin user. Scroll down until you see select background, and you can select the background out of the list here. Please note that if you change the background image from here, the screen will assume that you always want to keep that background image and will no longer respond to the default background changes unless you press the Reset Client Backgrounds to Default on the server selection page.